What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today we just gonna get right into it. I will be drawing a picture of one of my favorite anime characters, Goku, using no pencil for pre-sketch, no erasing to fix any mistakes, and we are just using a Papermate pen, and I'm getting at it. First, I started off with an image that I found online, and I said for this, I'm just gonna be sketching from the neck up, but really from the shoulders, right? So this is a image of Goku screaming as he is powering up. And as you see here, we are just going for it. And this is a great skill building exercise. Just go for it with a pen. And you still have control, even though it is a pen, there's no erasing. You can't get rid of the lines that you put on your paper, but a way to, take the eye off any imperfections or any lines that you're not really gonna use is just once you have the overall piece, just go dark. Just go straight dark and start going for it. And that is what I am doing here. There is a few lines that I'm not gonna use, but we are gonna deal with that when we get to, cross that bridge when we get to it. So I'm just going from light to dark. And I'm only going dark on the pieces that I am happy with. All right, once I'm happy with a layout, I'm just going for it. And that is it. And you see with a pen, you have no room for mistakes, but it just makes it more challenging and more fun. So I decided to give you guys a video of me just using a pen. And this is what you would call a quick sketch. Even though I put it on a time lapse, this whole overall drawing took me maybe about 30 minutes. And as you see back there, there is some lines that I decided to make his hair come down a little more, so I had to just reshape the back. And there's some lines that just there that I'm not gonna use, but the darker I get, your eye doesn't even focus on that. But, you guys are here with me, so I'm letting you guys know, I'm pointing it out. But I don't think it's that noticeable. And as you see, I'm going different directions. I'm cross-hatching with the pen. And I have some that's just straight dark, and then some that's just a little lighter. The lines are further apart, and I'm not pushing down as hard or going over it as much. And that's just adding a whole nother effect on top of it. So remember, guys, if you're ever trying it with a pen, just use it just like you would use a pencil. You just don't have the luxury of erasing. But you do have the luxury of not making any of your mistaken lines that you might have put into focal points. So just wait till you have the overall piece, and then you start getting dark, and that's just gonna take the focus and bring it right to where you want it to be. And that's one of the main reasons I'm just adding shading all over and just changing up the effect and the look of this piece. And anytime you go for anime, you can never go wrong. These are fun characters to draw, and it's just timeless. And there you have it, folks. We are done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember, smack that like button, leave me a comment, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. Any feedback, any interaction will be appreciated. So until next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.